Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today, and in this video we will be discussing about World Economic Outlook 2021. So recently the International Monetary Fund IMF has released the World Economic Outlook 2021 report. So now let's discuss what are the important key findings of the report. See, the report highlights that India will witness the strongest growth among the main economies. India's economy will expand by 11.5% in the year 2021 as opposed to the 8.8% growth that was predicted in October 2020. However, for the year 2022, the growth has been predicted to be 6.8%. The report further highlights that the global growth for 2021 will be 5.5% as compared to 5.2% in October 2020. The economic growth of the world is projected at 4.2% in 2022 according to the report. Further, it estimated that there will be 3.5% contraction in global growth in the year 2020, and as per the report, United States will experience the growth to 5.1% in the year 2021 from 3.1% in the year 2020. The report projects that there will be slight variation in China's growth in 2021, and the growth will lower down to 8.1% from 8.2%. Now let's also discuss that what are the concerns that are raised by the report. See, the report, however, highlighted that access to medical interventions, exposure to cross-country effectiveness of policy support, exposure to cross-country spillovers and structural characteristics are entering into crisis. This might result into the variations in the strength of the recovery across countries. After discussing about the report, let's also discuss that what is International Monetary Fund, IMF. See, International Monetary Fund is an international financial institution. It is headquartered in Washington, D.C., and the institution comprises of 190 countries that work together to boost the global monetary cooperation, facilitate international trade, secure financial stability, promote high employment, and sustainable economic growth. It depends on the World Bank for its resources, and it was established in the year 1944 at the Bretton Woods Conference. However, it formally came into existence in the year 1945 when there were 29 member countries. So this report is prepared by the International Monetary Fund, and it analyzes the key parts of the IMF's surveillance of economic developments and policies, and the report is usually prepared twice a year.